Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I am Lime Green. Today I have a human hair wig. This is a headband wig. This is from Fashion Villa. They were kind enough to gift me this wig. So this is the bag that it comes in. I'm gonna go ahead and take it out. So this wig is a 16-inch deep wave wig. It comes with a headband already sewn and attached, and then it comes with straps. It also comes with a comb at the front and the top. So this is how it's looking straight out of the bag. I did play with it a bit because I wore it yesterday for a little while. And also it does come with 2 additional headbands that you can cover if you do not want to go with the solid black style. So I'm gonna go ahead and pop her on and we're gonna jump into the details. So if you're new to my channel, keep on watching. So yeah, let's get into all this. All right, so I'm gonna put mine on backwards like this, and then the strap is right here, then the other strap. I'm going to connect it. After that, I'm going to pull the wig down so that it can cover the strap, and I'm going to use the comb in the back to secure it so that that strap isn't showing. And then I'm going to raise this up some so that you don't see like this right here. Hey y'all, so I am back. So I looked at my footage and I didn't like how the headband was all up here, and also took my nails off because I'm about to do a new set. So, and literally this is the same day. I just changed my shirt. So I like it better when it's pushed back. At first I didn't think I can do it because, you know, both my sides are shaved and you can kind of tell that there's no hair. So I'm like, I don't know if I should push it back, but I think it looks more natural on me like this. So I'm just going to delete some of the video and then end it out with this clip. So yeah, let's jump into the details. But yeah, obviously, if I'm coming back to refilm this, I do like this wig. I am in love with this wig actually. Like the hair and the curls on it is gorgeous. I wish I got the 20 inches, but at the same time, I am still happy with this wig. So as stated before, this is a deep wave. This is a human hair wig. This is 16 inches. It comes with 2 hairbands, which are right here. The texture is soft. The density is 150 density. This is how it's looking. This is the front. This is the side. And this is the back, honey. It is popping. Like, I'm wearing this to work tomorrow because I have a client tomorrow. This looks so natural. And then this is how it's looking. Like the band. Like it looks, and it's secured. I don't have any shedding. This is just so cute, and I didn't add any products or water to this hair. If you want, you can do that to define the curls, but yeah, this is straight out of the pack. So I just wanted to come back and show you guys how it would look if you want to push the hair back, or if you want to wear it right here, because some of us don't have time to actually gel our hair and all that. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to give you this information before I had started rambling in the video. So this wig is going for $69.29. You can purchase it off of Amazon Prime and have it within 2 business days. Also, you can have this shipped to your home, or you can have it shipped to a local nearby grocery store. And yeah, that's all I wanted to let you know about that. But yeah, I really like this hair. I will have a link in the description box, of course. So that is all I have to say on this wig. I hope you guys had a great Halloween. I had a great Halloween yesterday. My outfit was popping. Check that out on IG. You can follow me at I am Lime Green. So follow me, girl, follow me. So I'm about to get back to doing my nails. I'm about to eat and enjoy the rest of my Sunday because I gotta wake up at 10 o'clock. So I see y'all guys in my next video. Bye.